Hi, it's Christa with artisticvegan.com. Welcome to my kitchen and another Artistic Vegan show. I'm very happy to be with you and to bring you a yummy soup. I made it for Gerald and I, and it's absolutely delicious. It is a broccoli potato cheese soup, and it comes together really easily in about 30 minutes in one pot. So you gotta love that, and you don't need very many ingredients. So to get started, you'll want some chopped potatoes, some finely diced onion, some minced garlic, 1 head of broccoli that I'm gonna chop finely. And then you'll also want some nutritional yeast to give it that cheesy flavor. But if you don't like it or don't have that in your diet, you can pass, because we're also going to add some soaked cashews, and that's gonna give it that creamy texture and flavor. And we're also gonna cook it in some vegetable broth for more flavor. So it's really delicious. It couldn't be easier. So let's go ahead and get started and go over to the stove, putting pretty much everything in the pot. I'm gonna chop this up first, and I'll meet you there. So you literally just want to add everything in your pot. So I've got some vegetable broth here, about 3 cups, and 3 more cups for 6 total. Okay. And then add your minced garlic, your finely diced onion, as well as the potatoes and the broccoli. Put a lid on it and bring it to a simmer. Once it's simmering, cook it for another 15 to 20 minutes or until everything is nice and tender. Now we'll make a creamy topping that's totally optional. You don't have to do this, but if you want to, you can, and you can use it on other things throughout the week. So I have a 1/2 cup of soaked cashews, 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast, 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, depending how tangy you want it. I'm going for 2. A good 1/2 cup of canned coconut milk. I'm gonna go ahead and just take it like this and blend it up. So that just took a few minutes, and the soup is just cooking away, so that was easy. And it tastes very good, and it looks delicious. There you go. So you can use that on top. Yummy. And we can just spoon that on top. And then I've also got some tiny little avocados, and we'll spoon those and put those on top as well. And maybe some herbs, so that should be nice. Putting in the nutritional yeast, the soaked cashews, the remaining salt and black pepper and a little bit of white pepper. Blend that all together until it's nice and creamy, and proceed to serve hot. So once the soup cooks, then you can season it, blend it till it's really nice and creamy with the cashews in there, and serve it up hot. Look at that, just really luxurious. Makes my mouth water. And of course, if you want it chunky, you can have it chunky, or you can blend half of it. You can even add beans if you want some protein. So, looks good. Then we have our delicious soury kind of yummy cream topping that we can pour on top. And then I have my avocado. And the creaminess against the creaminess is really lovely. Okay, and then I also have some broccoli. So I'm gonna add a little bit on top just for some garnish. And I just took this, when the soup was making, I just scooped some off the top, so that's an easy way to have some cooked broccoli on top. And then some green onions if you'd like. And of course you could add your favorite vegan cheese and fancy it up and do whatever you'd like. So that's how it looks. Absolutely fantastic. This recipe is delicious and it's plant-based, gluten-free, oil-free. And if you are concerned with your carbs, then you could use cauliflower here. And you could also use a sweet potato if you want something a little bit different. So use your favorite. You can get this delicious plant-based recipe that's great for your heart and great for your body over at artisticvegan.com. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, and share the love and share it around with others, and subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you next time. Thanks again, and till then, bye.